back again in Black Canyon on this little house flip project. And today, this guy mainly, we're framing. I've watched about 5 YouTube videos last night on how to frame. I think I'm pretty caught up. I think I can do this for a living. Let's just get into it. How do you set yours up?
I usually keep my tape measure here.
Yeah. The fatty?
No. It's a tape measure that has like all the 3/8.
Yeah, right there.
Marked out. Perfect. Exactly what you need. Stick with that until it's memorized.
I don't got time to learn that shit. You want me to cut these open?
Yes, sir.
Who in the hell? There we go.
Radio and a battery. What do you want, bud?
Play something, get the juice flowing, you know?
Something to get the juice.
Whee! Sketch.
I got this side, walk down.
Yeah, keep going. Yep. And then there was sheetrock in my eyes.
Blowing it right back into my eyeballs.
Shit!
Oh, radio died, dude.
Some bullshit. Dual blade on a Milwaukee Sawzall. I don't give a damn.
What do you think?
I don't give.
What's the distance?
From the wall.
36 and then...
First one, 32. Second one is. Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Oh fuck. Hold on. That's fine.
First stand. Hold it to the floor. You might have to do it twice.
Yay big. Yeah? My toes! Let me go get another stack just so we got a lot. getting done, bud. Short hiatus. Had to go steal the batteries from the Xbox controller.
Just kidding. We got new ones right here.
We ain't kidding. We had to do it. But we found the OG batteries we needed. Put the level up and let her rip. That's all I'm doing today.
I'm gonna stay here and keep working.
Kenny's gonna finish her today probably, but I'm done. That was a lot. It's coming together good though. And that's it, folks. Time to go to the gym.